Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things related to starting and growing a business. Today, we're going to talk about how to start a business with low investment in the US. Starting a business can be daunting, especially if you're on a tight budget. But with the right approach and strategies, you can start a successful business with low investment. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your business idea. The first step in starting a business is to identify your business idea. Look for gaps in the market that you can fill with your products or services. Find something you are passionate about and that has a potential for profit. Brainstorm and research your options. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you have identified your business idea, conduct market research to see if there is a demand for it. Identify your target audience, competitors, and pricing strategies. This information will help you create a strong business plan. Step 3. Create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It will help you stay focused and organized as you start your business. Be sure to include a marketing plan, operational plan, and financial plan. Step 4. Register your business. Choose a business name and register your business with the state. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits required for your industry. You can also trademark your business name and logo to protect your brand. Step 5. Build your online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. Create a website, social media profiles, and other digital marketing tools to establish your online presence and reach your target audience. Step 6. Use low-cost marketing strategies. Marketing can be expensive, but there are many low-cost strategies you can use. Word of mouth, social media marketing, and email marketing are all effective and affordable options. Step 7. Keep your expenses low. Find ways to reduce your expenses, such as by operating from home, using open-source software, and outsourcing tasks to freelancers. This will help you keep your costs low and your profits high. Seek funding options. Finally, explore funding options such as small business loans, grants, or crowdfunding to help finance your business. You can also bootstrap your business by reinvesting profits back into the business. And that's it. Those are our tips on how to start a business with low investment in the US. Remember, starting a business requires hard work and dedication, but with the right approach, you can achieve success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.